It is saying that we have given a data stream input from A to N, and we have to summarize the number seen so far as a list of disjoint intervals. Okay, how we'll do that? So we have to implement the summary ranges class, right? Summary ranges class, in which we have three functions: summary ranges, void add a new number, and the get intervals. So the first summary range will initialize the object with the empty string, and then we will add one by one value onto the integer of the string, right? And then we'll get the summary of the result in a stream, that is a list of disjoint sets, and it will look like start and end of a given particular I, right? And where the answer should be sorted by answer start from, right? Let's understand this example. Okay, so in example you can see that we have given us summary range, and it is empty. We are adding what? First we are adding 1, then we have summary interval is coming what? Empty. Second it is coming 3, means we have to add now 3. Similarly we have empty as a get intervals, but we are adding 3 now at here, so we are getting adding, sorry, 7. Then we are getting get interval null, then we are adding 2, means we have to add 2, and now we have 6, and here we have to add 6. I think you got. Between we have to find the after adding each time we have to find the get intervals, as you can see here, right? At adding each number we have to find the intervals, and once that is done we have to return the output. Okay, so this, what will be the output? Let's understand. First of all, let's assume that we have this class, right, summary, and this summary will implemented. After that we will have our what? Summary range. Okay, so once the object summary range we have, what we'll have to do, on the object we will add 1. So let's suppose there is a list, right? So on the list we are adding what? 1 we are adding first, right? So let's suppose this is nothing but 1. Next time it is coming 3, so we'll add on to 3 here. So what we have? 1 1. Initially it was what? 1, like this you can say 1. Now it is what? 1 3. Now it is coming what? 7 1 3 and 7, right? Next time it is 1. First we have added 1, second we have added 3, third we have added what? 7, and then we have added what? After 7 we have added 2 here, right? After we have added 7 here and 2 here. So after adding 2 it will look like what? 1 2 3 7. And next time what will happen? We will add 6 right here. So when it will come 6, so it will look like what? 1 2 3 6 7. Okay, so we have done, but we have to find what? After adding each value we have to find intervals. So let's suppose when we are adding 1, right? So at that time uh, our interval will look like what? 1 to 1. Okay, because we have only one element here, and that's why the, you can say, left, if we are if we are doing the interval, right, like 1 2 3 4, right? So interval from here to here will was what? 1 to 4, 1 to 4 we can say, like 1 to 4 the left, and this is our left corner and this is our right corner, suppose. So similarly, if we have what? Only one element on onto the you can say list, right? So what will happen? We have 1 to 1 only, that, right? So this will be our, this time it will return interval. So you can see here we are getting this interval here. Oh, let me change the color so you will understand. So we will get here 3. Next time when we have added 3 here, so this look like this one, right? 1 and 3. So in this case we have previously we have what? 1 1 we have already, right? 1 1. Next time what will happen? We have what? 1, sorry, 3 and 3. We are adding 3 and 3 because 3 is if you say 3, what will have? it is greater than 1, right? It is greater than what? But if we'll add plus 1, let's suppose, right? So this is also new interval, you can say, right? So we will have the interval will look like this one. Next time, if we'll add 7, so what will happen? Our interval will look like 1 1. Then previously we have 3 3. The new one will come like 7 7, and that is you can see here, right? Here you can say. Once this is there, what will happen? Again it is coming 2 now, right? So what will happen? We have to merge the interval, right? So where 2 will come, we will not make 2 2, right? So we have to check on the on this one and this one we have to check, right? So if then we have to merge this one 1 1 and 3 3. It will look like what? 1, and then it will come what? 3. 1 and 3, between that it will come, right? And so this will be our new one, and this is our what? 7 7. I will re-represent into the graph, don't worry. Next time it is coming 6, right? So what will happen? We have 1 2 3 6 7, right? So if we have already we don't if we don't have any element that is more than 6, right? What will happen? We will make 6 6 as a new interval, right? But a new interval, you can say disjoint interval, right? So once will have here this is the element. So once we have 6 right here, so we will not write this one. Okay, again we will not write this one. So what will happen now? 1 1 3 will be there. So now it is coming what? 6. So it will become 6 2 7, not 7 7. Or any if there will be any other element like 5 5 and then 7 7, so it will be 5 5 to 7 will become, but we don't have, so we will have what? 7 7 will become 6 7, and that you can see in the last one, right? And this is coming. So once this is done, we will have this here. Once we will have here, we will got there. Means let's suppose the first we come as a 1, right? So for the disjoint set of 1, this can be pointed to itself, right? Like this. So that's why we are getting, once we have added 1, it is look like this one. So this representation is nothing but like this one. Okay. So we should not write like this one. Okay. And similarly, we can say this is only one we have, and we don't need to write this one. So let me erase this one, this part. Okay. And mm, so next time what happened? Next we are coming, 3 is coming. Okay. So if we'll make the combination from here to 1 2 3, right? 1 1 is there, 3 3 is there, right? So one interval is coming what? Next time it is coming, let's suppose 2 is coming, right? 2. So if we have already this interval from here to here, right? So we don't need, 1 1 is already there, 3 3 is already there, right? So if in between this one element is coming 2, right? So we don't need to specify 1 1 2 2 3 3. We'll say from here to here we have one interval, and that is 1 2 3. Correct. Similarly for we have initially what? Now we have 1 3. It will look like this one. But next what we have? 7 7, like this, right? And once we have sorry, 7 7 look like this one. We don't need to specify this one. So we have 7 7. So once we have, we will get a new element, and we'll say this will come into here, that is 6. So we'll say this can be meet like this one, and will another element is 6 7. So the disjoint sets will look like this one. Okay, I think you have understood, right? So let's go to the problem section, and we'll do implementation, right? So what we have did, I have already implemented this one, right? So I'll add the video link later. So you can see here we have taken unique values, right? So on the unique value, what we will do, each time we will add onto that, right? So as you can see, the first time it will come 1 3. This list is nothing but our a set, right? So in the set, first time it come 1, then it will come what? 1 3, right? It will come 1 3. Next time it is coming what? 1 3 7. Okay, 1 3 7 is coming. Now it will come what? Let me check. 2, right? So once we will add into 2, it should be look like 1 3 7 2, right? But 2 is not, if we add 2 here, this is not sorted, right? So we need actually what? 1 1 2 3 7, like this sorted one, right? And to add to get this list, we have to take what? Set. And in the set there is a class that is tree set that will do this, you can say, sorting based, insertion order based, not insertion order, you can say, sorry, this will give you ascending order based structure, right? So that is our tree set is. Next time, each time we are adding this one, like first time it will add 1, second time 3, next time 7, next time it is coming 2. So this function will do, and this function is does this function will does this job. But how will find the interval, right? So let's see internally, right? So internally you can see we are having what? 1 1, right? 1 1. So initially, if we don't have any value on the list, so we'll create one empty list that is look like we don't have this element and we don't have this element. Okay, so it will look like we don't have any element, like this, means that is empty. Okay, or you can say like this. Okay, this is empty. Now suppose what we have, uh, this interval list we have, right? So on the interval list means we have the element, sorry, we have element onto the our unique values, this set, right? And so that what we will do, we will take two corner cases. Left corner -1 and right corner is -1, means on this one we will take, don't worry. What will happen, each time it will come a new value, right? From the interval we will, what interval value have we have? 1 1 2 3 7 we have, right? So first let's suppose it is coming 1 as a value. So we will check, is left corner is less than 0? Yeah, left corner we have added what, we have taken -1. Okay, and right is also -1. So what will happen, we will check left corner is less than 0. If this is less than 0, it means what? We have to update left left right, left corner, right corner, and equal to nothing but 1. So that's why the first time we will add onto the what we can say, onto the interval list. So interval list look like, suppose this is our interval list. So first time what will happen, this we have updated this value, right? And what we'll do, this will not go else condition or else, right? This will not go. So what will happen, we will come to here and we will add, sorry, we'll come here and we will add here, right? In the else condition we have completed if condition, else or else, right? So we'll come here and we'll update our value, right? So once what will happen, the first time we will come here and we'll update our value, and this is nothing but our what, 1 comma 1, left and right. Next time the next value will come here, right? So next value what we have, 2 we have, initially what we have, 3 we have, right? And then same we have 7 we have, like that we had. So what will happen, so now left corner is less than 0, correct? So this value will come. But this another condition which also we have, what is the second value, that 3 is equal to what, left corner plus 1. So right corner was what, initially 1, we have added 1. So on the new value is what, 3. So is it equal? No, that is not equal. And so we will come to here and we'll again add what, 3 3. And like that we have did already, right? You can see here. So we have added 1 1 3 3 1 1 3 3 7 7, right? We have added. So the new updated list will be here once we have 1 1 3 3 7, right? So that condition will not met, and so that left and right we will update as a new entry, like this we have already done, correct, as a new entry. But let's suppose we will get uh, we will reach here, right, at this position, and we next time what we will have, after 7 we are adding 2, correct, here. So once we have 2, so we'll check, right? So is v equal to right corner plus 1? So v is nothing but 2. So we'll check the right corner. We'll start from what 1, right? If less than 0 the next time. So what will happen? Right corner plus 1, and that is nothing but equal to 2. Correct. So in this case, what will happen? Our right corner will change, right? So right corner is now 2. Okay. So we will add what? As a new value, we will say our right corner is 2 now, left is 1, right corner is 2. So this will become a new entry, right? This will become a new entry, and we will add onto the our onto the this interval list, right? So let's suppose we will have 1 2, and we will add on there. Okay, but next time if you see the 2 is here, correct? 2 is again here as a left corner, right corner. We will add our new value that we have already updated. Right corner is equal to v means 2. So if we will do 2 plus 1, right? 2 plus 1 is nothing but what? Right plus 1, correct? That is 3. So next value what we have? 3 we have, right? So we will update our next corner, right? That is sorry, right corner, and that is what we have. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and this will become what? Equal to 3. It's true, and then this entry will not get, no need to, we have to update. We will update our own corner, and that is nothing but what? 1 will remain, but 3 will not get added. Now sorry, 2 will not get added. Now 1 3 will be there, right? And so that you can see on the list we are getting 1 3, right here. And similarly for the case when we have 6 7, 6 7 7, we will get 6 7, because we have our corner, right? Sorry, here. And once our corner is ready, we will return our list is ready, list interval is ready. Then we will return our list interval using the 2 char array, sorry, 2 array, and we will return into the array form. I think this video will help you. So please comment with your approach as well as the complexity of the program. Thank you so much, guys.